Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, as promised, I'll be cooking a recipe from this cookbook which I showed everybody in the introduction. And what I'm going to be cooking today is deep fried chicken with walnuts. The reason I'm cooking this recipe is that firstly, I've never ever seen deep fried chicken with walnuts on any Asian menu that I've looked at, and secondly, I've never eaten chicken with walnuts, so it should be really interesting. What I'll be doing going through it, I'll be going through the recipe, showing you what the ingredients are. We'll then be preparing and then cooking the meal, and at the end I'll be tasting the deep fried chicken, giving my thoughts and my opinions on what this actually tastes like. So stay tuned for the meal. Speak to you soon. Bye. So for this recipe you will need 4 cups of peanut oil, 1/4 pound of walnuts, a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 large chicken breasts, 1 egg white, salt and pepper salt. So to prepare the chicken, we're going to cut it into 1-inch chunks. Okay. Put chicken back into the bowl. You can just discard with. And now we're going to add the other ingredients to the chicken. Firstly, we're going to add the egg white, then we're going to add the salt, the wine, and the cornstarch. Don't mind about getting this on your hands. You're going to have to go in and mix this up now. Okay, once you've done that, you give it a good mix together. Got to get right in with your hands. And what you're going to notice is that the chicken starts to get coated with the egg white, the wine, the cornstarch. But it takes a lot of mixing to get it to that velvety consistency. So make sure you give it a good mix, squeezing your hands through it. Okay, so you get it to that consistency. What we're going to do now is leave this for 15 minutes to marinate. While we're waiting for our chicken to marinate, we're going to chop our walnuts. What we want to do is we want to get these into small pieces, bite-sized pieces. It's about the same size and consistency of rice. So take your time with it, because what these are going to do, these are going to coat the chicken before we deep fry them. You can, if you have one, put these into a blender and do them that way. I find it a lot more therapeutic to do it this way. And I also think that you get a better consistency when you actually do it this way. With the blender, it can sometimes go too far and you end up with more of a dust-like consistency, whereas that you do want some chunks in here which are going to attach themselves to the actual chicken. I think that's about the right consistency. Once we've done that, just put these back into the bowl for now. And set them aside. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to dredge all the chicken in the walnuts. It's been marinating for 15 minutes now. We'll put all the chicken in with the walnuts. We're going to give that a good mix. What we want to do is we want to get all the pieces of chicken coated with some walnut. Give them a turn over after 2 minutes. When the chicken's finished cooking, we're going to Take it out the oil and just leave it to drain. Just got some paper towel for it to sit on. Be mindful that you really don't want to overcook this, otherwise you'll lose all the moisture out of the chicken. Okay, it's looking good. Just maybe just another minute longer. Okay, I think we're good to go with that. We'll turn the cooker off and we can start taking some of this chicken out of the pan. It might be better just using the tongs. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back. So the final presentation of this deep fried chicken with walnuts, I have to say, it looks really nice. It's not what I was expecting at all. I say I've never tried this before, never seen it on a menu before. People will probably write in and tell me that yes, it's on lots and lots of different menus in restaurants that they've been to, but I've never seen it, and I'm yet to try it. So I'm going to try it now and give my honest opinions. Oh, by the way, I've just decorated it with some scallions, some spring onions, just for presentation, really. And you can add them if you wish or not. So let me try. I'm also using the pepper salt, which it advises to use. I've not tried that before. Now let's see what it tastes like. Mm. So that's really, the chicken's really moist. And it has the texture of the walnuts is not something that I was expecting. That's added a different dimension to this chicken. I suppose if I could give it an example, it's like having deep fried chicken with a batter, but there's no batter on it. It's just the nuts, and they really make a difference. Mm. I think when I was looking at this recipe, I didn't know what to expect. I looked at it, are walnuts something that I would have or choose to have if I was to have an Asian meal? Probably not. And I suppose when I was looking, I was thinking, I've no idea what this is going to taste like. Would I like it? But this channel isn't about what we like. It's about cooking some recipes that are new and old, some that we've never tried before, to find out what they're like. And I have to say, pleasantly surprised at how nice that chicken is. It's really, really nice. Those walnuts, they don't taste like walnuts, but they give that texture to the chicken. Well, I will certainly be cooking this again. I'm really surprised. And I would tell you that it's really worth trying. And, I know some people may have nut allergies and they can't eat walnuts, but for those of you that can, it's really, really nice. I think for me, not, sticking to the time for the chicken, 2 minutes either side on really low oil. I'm sure the peanut oil helped as well, but that's helped the chicken stay moist. And then you've got this crunchy, crispy outer layer that just adds a load of texture. And this pepper salt, you don't need a lot of it, by the way. It's quite powerful, but it does add to the flavour. Well, I can't get over how juicy that chicken is on the inside, and then the crunchiness texture of the walnuts on the outside. It's really, really nice. So, for me, if I was going to rate this out of 10, that's definitely, in my opinion, definitely an 8, maybe an 8.5. It's really nice. I would advise try it. I think you'll like it. It's something different from your regular, fried chicken that we get with the batter all over it and breadcrumbs. This is different. This has got the walnuts, and the only egg in there was the egg white, mixed with the cornstarch. Really, really nice. Really nice. So that's that deep fried chicken with the walnuts this week. The next one I'll be posting up as to what the meal will be next in the next few days. If you've liked this video, then please like and subscribe. But thank you very much for watching this video. Speak to you next time. Bye.